What do you want to create in this world? What kind of legacy do you want to leave for your loved ones? Who are you? Do you know? Are you sure? The good news is you probably don't yet realize exactly who you are. You don't know the amazing potential inside of you. You have absolutely no idea just how much you can accomplish. It doesn't matter what you've achieved already, and it doesn't matter how many times you failed before. There is such greatness inside you. It is said that there is a giant asleep inside of us, and that when that giant is awakened, miracles happen.